questions for the witness.
Yes.
I would like to place this on record, my lord, that
Yes.
The AVL bearing the dates of the 22nd of June 2020.
Sorry, the AVL records
Bearing the dates of the 22nd of June 2020.
June 2020, right?
Was not discovered to the defense on the reasons that the said motor vehicle, which the witnesses just testified about, was not used on that particular day, as per the state. And the 22nd, sorry, my lord, the 24th of June 2020, it has also been said by the state that the said motor vehicle was not used on the particular day as well.
Okay.
And further, my lord, the documents relating to MM2, page 44 to 49, has just been discovered now.
49, 42 to 49.
44 to 49, page 44.
Oh, sorry. Page 44
to page 49 has just been discovered during tea break, my lord. And the defense will request to stand it down so that we can consult with Mr. Ntanzi.
Yeah.
And my lord, I'm in a position to cross-examine the witness, starting from the evidence where the witness indicated that they left Foslora's court to Moroka police station, which I can do it after lunch.
Yeah, look, if you need time, your client is entitled to sufficient time, I said.
Yes.
Yeah, nobody's going to rush you. But before I deal with that, Mr. Baloi, why is I understand Mr. Mgomezulu says you gave him a verbal reason that on the 2 dates, you say it's on the 22nd and on the 24th, and the 26th.
On the 24th, my lord.
22nd and the 24th, where are the records of this vehicle? Because he says you say it wasn't used, but you haven't given him proof that it wasn't used.
As a court, please, my lord, maybe we can formally put it on record through the witness.
We don't have documentary evidence to that effect.
My lord, we did explain to the witness that on the 5th of June, as well as the 24th of June, a different vehicle was used. There's no...
Wait. Yeah, let's take it through. On the 5th of June.
Yes, 5th of June, when the pointings out of accused number 1 were conducted.
But this witness was not the driver.
Well, he was the driver.
Wait.
Yes.
Is he the one who actually took the gentleman to the pointing out, as you say?
Yes,
he was the driver?
Yes. He was
of which vehicle?
But a different vehicle was used, Madam.
Yeah, but you have the registration number.
Yes.
So why don't you discover that?
Yes.
The records.
Yes.
And then on the 22nd, which vehicle was used?
On the 24th, a different vehicle was used.
Was he the driver?
On the 24th, yes, my lord.
Why? You have to discover that evidence also.
As a court, please.
And then on the 22nd?
Well, on the 22nd, my lord, nothing turns on that as far as we...
No. As long as he was a driver on that day.
But I understood, my learned friend, that he made a mistake. He meant to refer to the 24th, not the 22nd.
24th?
No. I'm referring to the 22nd, when he was taken to court.
That's it?
Yes.
Okay.
So which vehicle was he driving?
As a court, please.
Yeah, you have to discover all that evidence.
We will do that.
Okay. And then you can continue with putting whatever you want to put, and then we can postpone for those documents to be discovered properly to all the counsels. And then Mr. Mgomezulu can prepare his cross-examination starting from tomorrow. Okay.
As a court, please.
Mr. Ntanzi, okwenzekayo ke lana ukuthi ummeli wakho bekuyisikhathi sakhe ke manje ukuthi ke abuze ufakazi imibuzo kodwa ke akushoyo ukuthi ke ukuthi imininingwane yange-22 kanye nazo-ke i-24 ayikho-ke la phambi kwakhe ukuthi-ke angalungiselela-ke ukuthi aqale ukubuza ufakazi leyo mibuzo leyo, nokuthi futhi-ke kunalowo mboniso noma umbukiso lona-ke onikeziwe lana noma-ke i-exhibit eku-MM2 eku-page 44 kuyofica-ke ku-page 49. Uthi-ke lokho uqeda ukunikezwa manje-ke ngesikhathi setiye uyena-ke umshushisi okuzokuthi-ke adingeke isikhathi sokuthi ahlale phansi akhulumisane nawe ngalokho. Bese uyachaza-ke lana-ke umshushisi ukuthi-ke ngeyi-5 kanye-ke nangeyi-22 lezo-ke yebo ufakazi uyena owayeshayela imoto, kodwa-ke kwasetshenziswa imoto engasiyona le ekhulunywa ngayo manje ekuyiyona i-Toyota Fortuner. Kodwa-ke umahluleli uthi-ke cha, naleyo mininingwane-ke noma kwakuyenye imoto engasiyona lena-ke kuyadingeka-ke ukuthi anikeze ummeli wakho lawo maphepha lawo-ke ukuze azoyilungiselela akhulumisane nawe, aqhubekeke ngokuthi ambuze imibuzo ufakazi. Kuzokwenzeka-ke lokho.
Motšhotšhisi o re o feditše go le botšiša dipotšišo e fela ntate Mngomezulu yena ge a swanetše a le botšiše dipotšišo o re go na le bohlatsi bo bongwe bo e leng gore ga bogo go dipampiri tše tše e leng gore lena le fetša go di bala, go na le bohlatsi ba matšatši a mangwe a e leng gore ba re koloi be le sa tlholo le berekiša ye ya FV ye bentše re bolela ka yona jwatše kgoro e re ditokomane tšeue tša koloi yeue jwalo ka ga e le gore ke lena ba be le kgwetša koloi yeue bohlatsi boue bo a tlhokagala gore le moleledi wa ga ntate Ntanzi a tle a kgone gore a le botšiše dipotšišo. Gape ba re bona ba ka tla ba newa nako ya gore ditokomane tšeue di humanege gore le bona ba tle ba kgone go itukišetša gore lena ba tlilo le tlhoma ka dipotšišo tša wona matšatši aue a e leng gore ga di go mamotlha.
Okay, then we are adjourning now then.
Just, I don't want to bother the court, but I'd like to remind the witness because
The docket.
the dockets, my lord.
The docket, sir.
Delaying the issue of dockets.
Di-docket tšela ba re lena e ka re le tšea nako le go ga maoto ka tšo.
My lord, docket ya Nongoma ki mo matsogong a Brigadier Gininda. Ke muri general ba le busy o tla tlhaloša gore wa itšea nako.
My lord,
regarding since ya for decision le yona
So the director of public prosecutions.
E sa le go ba swereng batšhotšhisi.
yeah.
Correct, my lord, and the Nongoma case, it's still with Brigadier Gininda, whom will come and explain why the delay, and that one of Phosphorus, it's still at the director of public prosecution.
Ummeli-ke useyacela-ke ukuthi-ke kade ufakazi ekhunjuzwa-ke ngawo-ke amadokodo la ayeceliwe uthi lona-ke elele cala lakwa Nongoma lona-ke lisezandleni zakhe uBrigadier Gininda uyena-ke ozochaza kule nkantolo ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani-ke ukuthi-ke abe uthatha isikhathi-ke kodwa leli lona-ke lasePhosphorus lisaphethwe yilabo abengamele abeshushisi.
Okay, please impress on General Gininda that that information is required for the defense of accused number 1 and 2.
Ba re le ba rate molaleng le ba dule molaleng le ba botše gore docket ewe e a tlhokega ka molato wola wa molatofatšo wa mathomo le bobedi.
Yamcela-ke inkantolo ukuthi amkhumbuzeke uGininda ukuthi lelo dokodo lolo liyadingeka-ke la inkantolo.
Okay.
I will pass the message to him, my lord.
Mr. Mnisi, do you know how to travel from Phokeng to Primrose? On that note, we shall adjourn.